name is Rashmi Setia. I am 5 years old.
Yes, first Birangan Boibov. What is the capital of Assam? Chief Minister of Assam?
Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma.
Governor of Assam?
Professor Jagdish Mukhi.
Area of Assam?
78,438 square kilometer.
Population?
3.9 crores.
Language?
Assamese.
State festival?
Bihu.
Cultural symbol?
Asomia, Gamusa, and Pandamur.
District?
34 district.
Villages?
26,395.
Towns?
214.
Blocks?
219.
Okay. Next. Next Rajneesh Setia.
Hyderabad, Ansari, Chitranagara, Assam, Jodhpur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal, Shimla, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar,
Uttar Pradesh?
Lucknow,
Uttarakhand?
Dehradun,
West Bengal?
Kolkata.
Yes.
Namaskar.